Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to make highlights on Instagram. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account. And as you can see, I have already made a highlight. I'm just currently deleting it to show you. Hayo sever zange video banaitese ambahana aile para. Then head over to the three lines icon on the top right. And in here, head over to archive. Once you're in your archive, you will find several stories that you have already posted. Now head over to any story you want to put highlight on, then just tap on highlight and tap on new. And here name your highlight, tap on add. And as you can see, my highlight is added. If I go back to my profile, my new highlight is added in here. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.